Hello guys, this is Mr. Steve. You can call me Mr. Eve. Now, if you know me or if you follow this platform, you know that I only talk about admissions. So I help students to discover themselves and know the right program to choose in order to achieve their career goal. And also I assist students to get admission into tertiary institutions. So this is what I do, and this is what this platform is about. Now, the good news is that tertiary institutions, most of the tertiary institutions, on my admission form, no, about 2026, 2027, admission forms are out. Yeah. So that's the good news. Now, before you buy, there are lots of things that you need to know, or there are a lot of things that you need to actually take into consideration, because over the years, if you go to admission, no matter how waste your time, because I don't know who bet my in grade 6, you already get to admission. It's not because when you grade papa, but already get it, because there are lots of things that you need to know. Okay, these are some of the reasons why you reject your admission, but bet my fast but we admission, you know. Over fasting, we need admission, because you know people are so but we person will be so this is what this platform is about. In your mouth by ya, we bet me admission. In your normal way, ya admission. We person surely in as never ya, you make the right decision. Alright? And then you know cry later. Or you know go and blame anyone say opinion you want to say this, right? So now, tertiary institutions, admission forms never, right? I think UCC is out, the teacher training is out, I think Minerva is out, yeah. So a lot of universities are more admissions for 2026, 2027. That's a good news. Now, video were short. In my next video, I'll teach you a lot. Or you can subscribe if you are, this is the first time you can subscribe. I'll teach you a lot here. Now, first thing my person will say, before you buy the scratch card to apply, you know, now there's a need for you to know the cutoff point and then what you call course combination. Cutoff point and course combination. You have to know this. If you don't know this, then I'm sorry. Only me know yet. And so before we talk, form an example because say, okay, this is the program that I want to actually apply for now. There's a need for you to know the cutoff point of that particular program and also the course combination. So these two things I will talk about them a lot in my next video. So this is Mr. Stephen. You can call me Mr. E. Please subscribe to my channel if today is your first time. Subscribe and share my videos. Okay, there are lots of things that you are going to talk about.